হলো ছিন্ন বিনা বাঁধন তুঙ্গারে, ভরে নাও সুর গাও জীবনের জয়গান। কি সুন্দর কথা রাখো। হলো ছিন্ন বিনা বাঁধন তুঙ্গারে, ভরে নাও সুর গাও জীবনের জয়গান। দু চোখে মেখে নাও আগামী দিনের আলো, দু চোখে মেখে নাও আগামী দিনের আলো। বোঝাও অন্ধকারে ভোলো অভিমান, তোলো ছিন্ন বিনা বাঁধন তুমতারে। যে বিনা তোমার জীবনের বিনা ছিঁড়ে গেছে, তাকে নতুন তার দিয়ে আবার বেঁধে ফেলো। তোলো ছিন্ন বিনা বাঁধন তুমতারে, ভরে নাও সুর গাও জীবনের জয়গান। জীবনের জয়গান গাইতে শেখো। সুর ছিঁড়ে যায়, তার ছিঁড়ে যায়, জীবনের গতি বিচ্ছিন্ন হয়ে পড়ে, কিন্তু জীবন তখনও নষ্ট হয়ে যায় না। ভরে নাও সুর গাও জীবনের জয়গান। আগামী দিনের আলো দু চোখে মেখে নাও, ঘুচাও অন্ধকার ভোলো অভিমান। অভিমান ভুলে যাও, মান অভিমানের পালা ভুলে যাও। দু চোখে মেখে নাও আগামী দিনের আলো, দু চোখে মেখে নাও, ঘোচাও অন্ধকার ভোলাও অভিমান। কি অসাধারণ কথা না? কেন বললাম কবিতাটা নিয়ে বা এই গানটা নিয়ে আমি কেন শুরু করলাম, কারোর কোনো ধারণা আছে? লা 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 লা, লা লা লা
পুরা
লা 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 লা, লা 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 লা। বাহ, তিতলি খুব সুন্দর গাইছে। লা 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 লা
I
লা
know, my
লা।
brother.
কেন গাইলাম গানটা? Any connection? Do you get any connection? I think Somindu will be able to get it. Somindu is here or he has left out?
Yes, sir.
কেন গাইলাম গানটা, কিসের জন্য গাইলাম? তোমার কি মনে হয় কোনো কানেকশন আছে? Is there any connection or just I sang it whimsically? হঠাৎ করে মনে হলো গেয়ে দিলাম। Do you feel like this? Let me know.
No, sir, because everything you say is always connected to something. But today I can't get it actually.
Any idea? Alvira, Adrija, any connection do you get? Any reference that you can reflect? Arey, if it is no, then let me know, guys. Why are you behaving like this? Actually, I sang this song only to show a connection with her next poem, that is The Road Not Taken. I sang this in connection with The Road Not Taken. Now, is it clear what I'm trying to mean by this song? What I have referred. So, The Road Not Taken, it's a phenomenal poem, an incredible poem that talks about the journey of a life. সৌমেন্দু এতক্ষণে বললে হবে? So close to our lives. Because the road not taken, it talks about a road that life marches on it. জীবনের গতিপথ আছে, জীবন গতিহীন হয়ে পড়ে। It's just like the flow of a river. You know it very well. That river has its own flow, is its own gotipauth. It has its own streamline. It has its own streamline before it meets its depth. Who is the depth for a river? Actually, we call it death, but we mix with the greater self that is called Param Atma. Param Atma. We mix with the confluence. Who is the death for a river? Imagine, explore. শুধু শুনলে হবে না। What is the death for a river? Means I'm talking about death means whenever a river gets mixed with sea, that's the death. মহাসমুদ্রে যখন লীন হয়ে যায়, কথার শব্দটা শুনেছো? লয়ে দীর্ঘই দন্তন্য লীন। লীন শব্দ থেকে এসেছে বিলীন শব্দ। বাংলা আজকাল পড়ো না নাকি তোমরা? সব ভুলে গেছো? সবাই বিদেশি হবে নাকি? সবাই বাঙালি ফরেনার বনবো মনে হচ্ছে আমরা ভবিষ্যতে। একটা নদী যখন সমুদ্রে মিশে যায়, নদীর মৃত্যু হয় ঠিক, কিন্তু এটা কি মৃত্যু? Are you getting the metaphorical language that I'm trying to share with you? Is it really a death of a river? Yeah, it's a death because river has lost its individual gotipauth, individual mainstream. Are you getting my point? The river has lost its individual movement in its own life. But it gets mixed with sea. মহাসমুদ্রে মিশে যাওয়া। মহাসমুদ্র মানে কি? নদী, জল, তার মহাজল, সমুদ্রের মহাজল। সেখানে মিলিত হয়ে যাচ্ছে। মানে when we die, our souls fly away and it gets mixed with Paramatma in Mahakash. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
What Farha, what Alvira will call Jahannum. Jannat. Are you getting my point? So our souls,
Yes,
our
sir.
souls get free from ourselves, from the cages. What's the cage? Our body. And it goes to the Mahakash, which is endless, where you mix with Paramatma, with the ultimate soul, with the ultimate spirit. Whether you call it as Almighty, whether you call it as Allah, whether you call it as God, whether you call it something.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
To get mixed with Paramatma, we in this world, in this living world, when we are sorry sir for the disturbance of the train.
Very good. We are talking about Atma and Paramatma, and from the back there is an awaz and a noise from Shankh. It's really auspicious. Very good. I feel good about it. Even though you feel bad, but I feel good. So our discussion is going to be so pure that something is going to be an anticipation. Bolo.
To get mixed with Paramatma in this world, we have to do something that means those person who does something bad will not get to Paramatma, no, right? So we have to do something well, something good to get mixed with Paramatma.
But ultimately you reach to that position where your karmic balance sheet is checked by Yama. Ultimately, you think about the last chapter of Mahabharata. Both of them are taken to Swarg, and then they are told that it's not your place. You will be shifted to Narak. Did you get my point?
Both of them?
First of all, at the end of Mahabharata, what happened in the 18th chapter?
Yes, sir.
Kauravas, they are already placed in heaven.
Yes,
Fine?
sir. Yes, sir.
All Pandavas are also taken to heaven first.
Yes, sir.
And there, the accountant Yam Devta is actually an accountant who decides what's going to be your place, whether it's going to be your heaven, whether it's going to be hell.
Yes, sir.
According to a karmic balance, it's called karmic balance sheet. Karmic balance sheet. So accordingly, it gets decided. But understand, you get a touch of heaven, na? It's still better.
But sir, doing all those means Duryodhan had done very bad things. Then also he get a chance to enter into heaven.
That is a different discussion. We need a separate discussion for that.
So many discussions are delayed. You told that you will talk about love. You will talk about why Shab this Brahma and now this. So many discussions are being delayed day by day.
क्या करूं? Life
And we
taking.
really need physical class for this. This as a another kind of feeling in physical class.
Uh, it's okay, fine, but we are missing things. What can I do?
Yes,
Actually, we are so much busy with that syllabus and syllabus and syllabus. If you want to get something different, then there is no space for us. That's the main problem.
so I'm really craving for all those classes.
Shabda is Brahma. I thought to that I will take a special class on it. Let's see whether it happens, whether it's not.
Sir, we
But
can deal with our syllabus, sir. Sir, please take these special classes.
we will we will plan. Let's see what can we do. During a summer vacation, if it's possible, then I will take up 1 or 2 sessions there during
And
summer
sir, the
vacation.
most we're missing that this poem. So if it
Which
is in physical, then we can get a lot of fun.
which poem?
So the road not taken.
Yeah. So that therefore I'm talking about this. The road not taken. Ultimately, I told you one line specifically that our life is defined by our opportunities. I told you that life gets defined by our opportunities, but also the opportunities we missed out. You have to understand this spirit before you get into a poem. This is the spirit that you have to understand. Now, understand one thing. Are we defined the best with our success, or we are defined the best with our failures also? Failures also. But failures actually mark an impression in the minds of people. Because if you do really significant, for an example, APJ Abdul Kalam, he has done such a great job. If you tell something wrong about APJ, one wrong incident about APJ Abdul Kalam, perhaps its impression is so great that it will supersede the greatest affairs that he has done in his life. Are you getting my point? একটা ছোট গলতি এত বড় সাকসেসটাকে কিন্তু ঢেকে দিতে পারে। Are you getting my point? Yes, Somindu has mentioned it right. That our life gets the definition with her success and with her failures as well. But it's the failure that defines your life. Are you getting my point? Am I able to tell you the fact? Whether it's the life of a politician, whether it's life of a great teacher, whether it's life of a national hero, whether it's a villain, whether it's you can say that Mukhyamantri, whatever Life gets best, it's defined the best whenever you are successful. Success is there, but it's more a failure. Now, you know the life of Thomas Edison, who invented bulb. You know, I hope you know the name, Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison almost tried more than 200 and 900 times. I forgot the numeral. He tried more than 500 times to invent bulb, and he got defeated by it. And after that, after these many times, he was successful to invent bulb, electric bulb. So people started saying that, okay, this many times he failed, this many times he failed, this many times he failed. So failure, failure, failure. He comes to the limelight because of his failures. 500 times he failed. And in the next time he invented bulb. That is a historic moment or historic movement in the world. Nobody considered it too much as far as his failure is concerned, because he has failed 500 times. Are you getting my point? I'm just giving a historical aspect of Thomas Edison. So it's the view of the people. More than his success, his failure is celebrated. Are you getting my point? More than his success, his failure is celebrated. It's a celebration when everybody talks about his failures. 500 bar, 500 bar, 500 bar. Are you getting my point? But the final conclusion that you learn from Thomas Edison, when he was interviewed, and the interviewer asked him that, what do you think about 500 times failure? What an answer he put, you know. An amazing answer, amazing answer. No, Somendu, that is not the answer. You have given the substance, but what he said, you know, he said that people sought only the failure 500 times. They counted only the failures. But what he said that I tried 500 ways to invent a bulb. In 500 ways, he tried to invent the bulb, and those steps were not successful. Get the point. What an amazing answer. He said that I am not a failure. I tried to invent the electric bulb in 500 ways, in 500 different ways. But I could not get the desired result. Are you getting the spark inside? People see 500 times failure. The failure, it's more than 500 times. But what he says, I tried to invent the same electric bulb in 5 different ways. Yeah, Abhijit has mentioned the right thing. But people can see it as a failure. So that is the definition. That is the definition that life teaches to all of us. That's the definition of life that teaches us. It's not measured by success always. It's measured by failures also. And more than that, if you want to tell perfectly, then it's the failure that decides or that defines your life properly. Understand, I'm giving a practical example. Some people did not try to write a single line in their lives. Some people are there that they did not try to write a single line. But you have tried to write a novel, you have completed 200 pages, maybe 100 pages to be written more, but you did not write or you could not write. Maybe whatever the problem is. People will pinch on you. People will pinch, they will troll on you. Troll shabdota এখন খুব popular. They will troll on you. See, an incomplete novelist. unsuccessful novelist. But still, it's better than somebody who did not write or who did not try to write a single line. Am I right? At least you have completed 200 pages. Now understand. See the viewpoint, see the perspective of life. Now, I'm not trying to say that these people are absolutely wrong, these people are foolish, these people are selfish. Whatever they are, we are not so much bothered or considerate about their selves. It's their duty, it's their task, it's their function, it's their performance. Are you getting that point? You have to understand it. প্রথমত আমি, আমার পায়খানা, তারপরে কৃমি। Now কৃমিকে তুমি গালি দিতে পারো কি? And get my point. কৃমিকে গালি দিয়ে কি করবে তুমি? তুমি ভাবছো যে আমি আমার পায়খানা এত সুগন্ধময়, এত সুন্দর দেখতে, তার উপরে আবার একটা কৃমি সেখানে বাস করেছে। তুমি কৃমিকে গাল দিয়ে কি করবে? ওর ওটাই ভালো লাগা, ওর ওটাই থাকার জায়গা। Are you getting my point? You have to have a mentality like this. Am I able to make you understand by the example of Creamy? Why are you blaming them? It's their mentality, it's their education, it's their culture, it's their thinking, it's their opinion, it's their perception. You no longer change the perception of people. But understand, the mindset with which you begin the journey defines your journey. So today's world is much dominated by negativity. There is only one pulse in the world, the pulse of negativity, the pulse of corruption, the pulse of pollution. You have to choose the right way to reach to your destination. I hope now you are able to get my introduction. The road not taken, that also decides your life, that also characterizes yourself. Are you getting my point? You might feel that the road I have chosen, that road will define me, the road will explain me, the road will describe me properly. No, sometimes it doesn't happen in your life. A wrong decision that you have taken, a decision that you have not given so much importance, and the same decision that you have not taken or ignored has decided your life. It happens. This is life. Are you getting my point? Because it's life which is unstable. শ্রীজাত এক জায়গায় লিখছেন অদ্ভুত একখানি লাইন, বাড়ির ঠিকানা হয় কিন্তু মানুষের কোনো ঠিকানা হয় না। What a line Srijato has written, Srijato Bandyopadhyay. বাড়ির ঠিকানা হয়, মানুষের কোনো ঠিকানা হয় না। এখানে মানুষ বলতে মানুষের জীবনকে তিনি বোঝাতে চাইছেন। Today you are here, tomorrow you'll be somewhere else. Are you getting my point? Whether it's Bangalore, whether it's in New York, whether it's in the middle of the sea or in above. তোমার বাড়িটা সেই জায়গাতেই থেকে গেছে, বাট তুমি নেই, মালিক নেই, বাড়ির মালিক নেই, বাড়ি আছে। কাজে যে আছে তারই ঠিকানা হয়, যে নেই বা যে থাকতে পারে না তার কোনোদিন ঠিকানা হতে পারে না। Are you getting my point? That Srijato Bandyopadhyay has mentioned. So that's the nature of life. So whimsical. It's very flexible. It's dwindling all the time. নড়বড় করছে। So therefore, the road not taken, that also decides, that also characterizes, that also portrays your life. You have to understand this, that our life is not measured by success always. Life is also measured by our failures, our sadness, our repentance, our gloom, our despair, depression, desperation, disease, decay, dilapidation, damage, and death. কতগুলো বললাম? That's the nature of your life. That's the nature of our lives. So the road not taken. This is a phenomenal poem, a celebrated poem throughout the world. And if you read the poem is very simple. Is it very complicated idea? Very simple idea. Very simple idea. But it's a much celebrated poem by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a phenomenal poet, prolific poet, multifaceted poet. But ultimately, Robert Frost, if you talk about Robert Frost, there are some poems. This is one such poem for which he's very famous. But the idea is very simple. So understand, sometimes we feel there's something which is very complicated, something which is very compound in itself. That's a point of research. It also doesn't happen. আমরা কি মনে করি কিছু জটিল, কিছু গূঢ়, কিছু রূঢ়, কিছু মিস্ট্রি যদি হয় তবেই সেই জিনিসটা ভবিষ্যতে আলোচনা হবে, ভবিষ্যতে থাকবে, না তেনা অনেক কিছু তো ভাবি। But a poem proves it. That no, it's not like this. A simple thing can be a piece, perhaps a masterpiece. Are you getting my point? But you have to produce an art. বাড়ির ঠিকানা থাকে, মানুষের ঠিকানা থাকে না। এটা কি কোনো কঠিন একটি কথা? বাড়ির ঠিকানা হয় কিন্তু মানুষের ঠিকানা থাকে না। খুব কঠিন একটি কথা। খুব সহজ একটি কথা, সব সময় তো বলি, কিন্তু এরকম ভাবে তো লিখতে পারিনি আমি। এরকম করে তো লিখতে পারিনি। So again, you get an idea that's very complicated in itself, that life is not only measured by complicated ideas or complicated things, or something which is very mysterious, but it also gets defined, rather well defined, by its simplicity. By its simplicity, by its own innocence. That's the nature of life. You have to understand the root of that poem, the road not taken. And the road is very important. জীবনের পথ, সব কিছুর একটা পথ থাকে, সব কিছুর একটা পথ থাকে। There is a route, you have to navigate it properly. You have to navigate it. So if your navigation becomes successful, your destination, your journey becomes successful. So therefore it is very important, it is very important to choose the right way, the right avenue to lead you to the right direction, to bring you to the mainstream of life. আমাদের ছোট নদী চলে আঁকে বাঁকে, বৈশাখ মাসে তার হাঁটু জল থাকে। আমাদের চলে নদী চলে আঁকে বাঁকে, আমাদের জীবন পথ কিন্তু এই আঁকে বাঁকেই চলে। কখনো কখনো আমাদের জীবনে আনন্দের জলোচ্ছ্বাস থাকে, আমাদের জীবন নদী খুব দ্রুত বেগে বয়ে চলে, যা কিছু পায় সবকিছু ভাসায় যায়। আবার কখনো কখনো গ্রীষ্মকাল আসে যেখানে আমাদের জীবনে হাঁটু জল থাকে। অতএব এই জীবন নদী কখন শুকিয়ে যাবে, কখন ভরাট হয়ে যাবে, কখন আঁকে বাঁকে মিলিয়ে যাবে, কেউ বলতে পারে না। কিন্তু কিন্তু যদি একটু বালি খোঁড়া যায়, দেখবে জল উঠে আসছে। আর ইউ গেটিং মাই পয়েন্ট? যে নদী শুকিয়ে গেছে, সেই নদীর পাশে গিয়েও যদি একটু বালি খুঁড়তে থাকো, দেখো জল চলে আসবে। তার মানে কি, তোমার গতিপথটা নষ্ট হয়েছে, তোমার জলোচ্ছ্বাস এখন নেই। বা জল কিন্তু ধরিত্রী এখনো তোমার জন্য শুষ্ক কাঠফাটা হয়ে যায়নি। জলের স্রোতটা নিচে নেমে গেছে, উপরে দেখা যাচ্ছে না। তাই নদীর বহমানতাকে বজায় রাখতে গেলে সেই স্রোতকে, অন্তর্মুখী স্রোতকে ঊর্ধ্বমুখী করতে হবে। রবীন্দ্রনাথ কি বলছেন? ও গো নদী আপন বেগে পাগল পারায়, আমি স্তব্ধ চাপার তরু গন্ধ ভরে তন্দ্রাহার। ও গো নদী আপন বেগে পাগল পারায়। নদী আপন বেগে পাগল পারা, তাতে এত জলোচ্ছ্বাস। আবার সেই রবীন্দ্রনাথই লিখছেন, আমাদের ছোট নদী চলে আঁকে বাঁকে, এই বৈশাখ মাসে তার হাঁটু জল থাকে। আমি বলেছি না, রবীন্দ্রনাথকে পড়লে তোমার জীবনের আর কাউকে দরকার হবে না। নদী, নদী দিয়ে জীবনকে বুঝতে হবে। আবার মান্নাদের একখানি গান আছে, হে নদী এমন নদী, জল চাই একটু যদি, দুহাত ভরে উঠলে ওঠে দেয় আমাকে। হে নদী এমন নদী, জল চাই একটু যদি, দুহাত ভরে উঠলে ওঠে দেয় আমাকে। এ প্রিয়া এমন প্রিয়া, সোহাগে ভরলে হে আর মনি কেমনি। হে নদী এমন নদী। So this is our life. You have to make, or you have to flow your river. Because যদি পৃথিবীর ইতিহাস দেখা যায়, if you survey the history of civilization, all civilization took place by the side of the river, স্পেশালি গ্যাঞ্জেটিক প্লেন্স। তার মানে হচ্ছে নদী, মানে তোমার জীবনটাও কিন্তু তাই। তোমার জীবনের উপরে অনেক পরিবার, অনেক মানুষজন বেঁচে আছে। মানে তোমার যে জীবন নদী, সেই নদীর উপত্যকায়, সেই নদীর পাড়ে অনেক মানুষের বাস। তাই তুমি যদি বইতে না পারো, তারা তো মারা যাবে। So the road not taken, that also decides your life, your career. আজকে এতটুকুই থাক, পরে আবার বলা যাবে। Today I have explained
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
things
That's it.
metaphorically and symbolically. I have used metaphors and symbols. I don't know whether you have understood those things. If you did not understand, I request you to listen to this lecture once again and get the vibe. What a metaphor means, what a symbol means. How do you relate your life with a river? আমি আমার মতো করে বলার চেষ্টা করেছি। Just let me know your observation, and somebody please send me the record of your attendance. দয়া করে জানাও, what have you felt about this? Be quick. I don't like that everybody has to be poked and then you will say something. Yeah, Somendu, you just remove your earphone and then tell. Sometimes your voice gets echoed.
Okay.
Yeah, it sounds fine.
So now you can get it.
Very good, very nice.
Sir, actually, I think this poem, "The Road Not Taken," So I think it is the poet. I think he described about the life. There was a two roads there. He just mentioned simply that diverged in two ways. So I think there was two decision in front of poet's life. So he choose one of them, but both are there. Both of them were very good, and the I think the author does not regret for his choice or his decision, but I think he regret that if he can go back to that position again to revisit the another one. So I think the poet regret for this. And sir, we know that we can't go with two decisions in a ways. And he also mentioned at last two lines that he took the road which was the less traveled by. Means I think the decision which was means which is very uncommon. And sir, I think that poet, the profession of a poet, sir, is really very uncommon, and he has proved with this poem.
Okay, so you have more talked about your analysis with the poem, but my discussion or my point was something different. Whatever we have discussed, what have you felt, what you have understood. I haven't
So
touched
may I
the.
say something?
I haven't touched on things like, yeah, please.
So actually, here we can see that the poet, compares our life with road. So for making a road, we need to put the right amount of cement, the right amount of what is that called, sand, so to make it perfect. So that same like that we have to uh, create our life in such a way where the all the um what will I say, all amounts of everything would be same. And after that, after making a road, we get different ways. So after making our life, we get different ways of our life. So life, I think here we can relate our life with road, and this is beautifully described by the author. And in this class you have also said about Atma, how we can go to Paramatma, and about life. So basically, we have learned about life in this discussion and how to prosper in our life further. So thank you, sir.
Okay. Anybody?
So may I?
Yeah, please.
Sir, it was really as inspiring as every day. We used to get inspired every day by you, and the way you started the introduction was really amazing, sir. And I like the most your interpretation on the poem "Amader Choto Nodi." I like that a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. I like such type of discussion that she has, or Adrija madam sometimes refers to the point. Alvira madam, অনেক ভালো লাগার জায়গা থাকে মানুষের, কিন্তু কিন্তু কোনো একটা জায়গা মানুষকে ছুঁয়ে যায়। একটা গানের সবকটা সুরই কিন্তু মানুষকে ছুঁয়ে যায় না। Am I right? আমি তোমাদের আর 1 মিনিট সময়
Yes,
নেব।
sir.
একটা গানের সবকটা সুর কিন্তু
Yes, sir.
ছুঁয়ে যায় না। একটা সুরই বা একটা জায়গা তোমাকে এমন ভাবে ছুঁয়ে যায় যে ছোঁয়াটা তোমার গানটাকে আর পার্থিব রাখে না, অপার্থিব করে তোলে। Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
সবকটা সুর কিন্তু ছুঁয়ে যায় না। So sometimes a class is also like this. You have to refer to this particular point. If you become specific, that also gives me an idea. Okay, this is what they like the most. For an example, Alvira, সত্যি কথা যদি আমাকে তোমরা জিজ্ঞাসা করো, আমি যখন ওই লাইনটা বলতে পারলাম, হঠাৎ করে মাথাতে আসলো, আমার নিজেরই ভালো লেগেছে। তুমি যদি বলো যে স্যার আপনি এতটা পড়ালেন, আপনার কোন জায়গাটা বলে আপনার সব থেকে ভালো লেগেছে, আমি উত্তর দেবো আমার কোন জায়গাটা নিজের বলে ভালো লেগেছে, আমার মনে হয়েছে যে আমি কি করে বললাম এটা, আমি বলতে পারি না এটা, কিন্তু বলে ফেলেছি।
Yes, sir.
সেটা হচ্ছে ছোট নদী চলে আঁকে বাঁকে, এই উদাহরণটা। আর যেটা বললাম যে নদী হয়তো শুকিয়ে গেছে কিন্তু মাটি খুঁড়লে কিন্তু জল পাবে, এই যে কথাটা আমি বলে ফেলেছি, এটা আমি কিন্তু বলতে চাইনি, কেউ একজন আমাকে দিয়ে বলিয়ে দিয়েছে। এটা বলার পরে আমার মনে হলো তোমাদের হয়তো ভালো না লাগলেও লাগতে পারে, সেটা আলাদা জিনিস, কিন্তু আমার ওটা বলে আমার নিজে খুব ভালো লেগেছে। এটা আমার ভালো লাগার জায়গা যে আমি এটা বলতে পেরেছি। সত্যি তো তাই, আমরা যখন হারিয়ে যাই হতাশায়, দুঃখে, আতঙ্কে, কিন্তু একটু খুঁড়লে দেখা যাবে জীবনটা কিন্তু এখনো হারিয়ে যায়নি, তাই না? যেমন করে নদীটা শুকিয়ে গেলেও একটু বালিতে খুঁড়লে দেখা যায় একটু জলের একটা উৎস রয়েছে, এবং সেই জল এত পবিত্র, সেই জল খাওয়া পর্যন্ত যায়। নদীর ওপরের জল তুমি খেতে পারো না,
Yes, sir.
তাই না? যাই হোক, সবাইকে খুব খুব শ্রদ্ধা। জানি না কতগুলো ক্লাস লাগবে কবিতাটা শেষ করতে গিয়ে।
Stainless.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.